Hello and welcome back to TKSBAR. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making eggnog cocktails. So today we're making eggnog cocktails, and I say cocktails because we actually will be making two different eggnog cocktails. And the reason for that is because I was testing out cocktails the other day, trying to come up with some cool winter ones, and I came up with a really good eggnog cocktail, or at least I think it's pretty good. But then I went onto TikTok and I found this other eggnog cocktail from this channel called Jules. So I was like, why not put mine up to the test and we'll see the taste comparison. I also just love trying other people's drinks that they've come up with or that they've made on their channels because it's fun. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. So let's get straight into it. So first I'm gonna go through the ingredients in both cocktails just so I can get that all out of the way because I wanna be able to taste them side by side, which means that I'm gonna have to do this pretty quick. So then, because these are both gonna have cream in them and I don't want anything to separate. So let's get into it. So starting off with our ingredients, we're gonna be starting off with Jules's eggnog cocktail. And the spirit in that one is going to be this spiced rum. I've just got Captain Morgan's here. I don't know what exactly she used. And then we've got some half and half cream. We've got cinnamon syrup. Again, I made this cinnamon syrup the other day, so that will come in handy. And then I've got some Angostura bitters, and I've got just an egg white that I've already separated, and it's in here. So then the ingredients for my eggnog cocktail, I've got vanilla vodka here. Then I've got Carolyn's. You could use Bailey's if you wanted, or any other cream liqueur. Then I've got some chai syrup. I used this in my winter sangria video, and I'll leave that link right here if you want to check it out. And then I've also got some oat milk. I don't normally drink regular milk. I normally drink oat milk. I haven't tried this with regular milk, but I'm sure it would taste pretty good or kind of the same. Okay, so starting off with Jules's eggnog cocktail, we're gonna be starting at the bottom of our shaker, and we're gonna be using a coupe glass for this, like this one here. So if you wanna get that chilling down, you should start that already. So starting off, we're gonna do 2 ounces of our spiced rum. Then I'm doing 1 full ounce of our half and half cream. Then half an ounce of our cinnamon syrup. Then last thing, we'll throw our egg white in here. We'll give it a dry shake first and then throw some ice in and give it another shake. So I slightly chilled down the glass and we're just gonna pour this in now. To garnish, they used a little bit of cinnamon, so I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top. And then garnish with a little cinnamon stick, just like this. And there we've got our first, there we've got our first eggnog cocktail. I'm gonna put this one aside and we're gonna quickly make my version so then we can taste them side by side. So then into the bottom of the shaker, we're gonna be starting my cocktail, and we're gonna start off with 1 ounce of our Carolyn's. Then we're doing a full ounce of our vanilla vodka. Then 3/4 of an ounce of our chai syrup. This is my favorite syrup up to date, just so everyone knows, but that's just because I love chai. Then last but not least, we're doing 1.5 ounces of our oat milk. Then we'll just throw some ice in here and give it a quick shake. So then I've already got my glass full of ice. I'm just using like an old-fashioned style glass or like a singles glass, and we're just gonna strain this in. Also, I don't know if you can see, but I'm being so messy today, so sorry for that. So then mine, I'm gonna garnish the same. I'm just gonna put some cinnamon on top and then also throw a cinnamon stick actually in the drink. Perfect, and there we've got our second finished cocktail. Okay, so last thing we have to do is just taste these, and I'm really excited. They both look amazing and it smells like eggnog in here. So we'll start off with the cocktail we made first, which is gonna be Jules. I'm not even gonna try and taste it with that on because I know it'll fall on my face. Yeah, so that's really good. It's nice and creamy because you've got the cream and then you also have that egg white in there. And then the cinnamon is really nice when you dip your head in. You get that aroma right away. And then obviously the spiced rum and the cinnamon syrup work really well together and you get a great eggnog cocktail. So definitely recommend this one. It's pretty good, but it's time to try mine. We'll see how that one does. So these are two completely different cocktails. And I think that mine definitely tastes like eggnog as well, but in a different way. This one is definitely more of a like rum eggnog taste. This one is definitely way more sweet. You can taste the Baileys a lot more. It doesn't have that like the harshness of the rum because we used like vanilla vodka and Baileys, or I guess I'm not even using Baileys. I don't know why I keep calling it Baileys, Carolyn's. But mine is definitely a lot sweeter, so if you're looking for something more on the less sweet side, I would definitely say go with this cocktail. And if you're looking for something a bit more on the sweeter side, I would say go with this cocktail. Tasting like eggnog, or I haven't had eggnog in a while, but to me these both taste like eggnog, just slightly different. Mine's definitely got a chai base in it, so it's gonna have that bit of spice that's a little bit different than eggnog. It's gonna taste a bit more chai flavored, but I think it still tastes like an eggnog cocktail. So honestly, I'm happy with both of these. I think they both taste awesome. So if you get around to trying either of these, let me know if you tried mine or either of them, and let Jules know if you tried theirs, because I'm sure they would really appreciate that. And yeah, honestly, two great cocktails here. Personally, I like mine better, but that's just because I was the one who created it, so I have an unfair bias. And then also I like sweeter things, so it's like a second unfair bias. But I would say that these are two awesome cocktails that you should try, especially in time for winter and eggnog season, so these are good. Yeah, so if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. You can even hit the bell if you want. If you want to, go check out Join Jules, where I got this cocktail from. I'm sure they'd love if you went and checked them out, so you should go check them out. They've got a bunch of other cocktails on there too that I have been looking at, and they look really good. So yeah, definitely check them out. Other than that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!